Setting up notifications for when someone signs something can save you time and ensure you stay on top of important agreements. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up notifications for when someone signs, and I promise it'll be simple and fast. First, let's talk about the basic steps. Most document management platforms have a built-in notification system, but knowing exactly where to find it is key. To get started, open up the software you're using. For this tutorial, we'll be using software that you can follow along with. Now head to the Settings menu. You'll find this in the top corner of your dashboard or profile settings. Once in the settings, look for an option labeled Notifications or Alerts. This is where the magic happens. Typically, you'll have options to customize when and how you want to be notified. You'll want to ensure you have email and app notifications turned on for the signing event, which will trigger as soon as the document is signed. This ensures you're always the first to know when an action is completed. Now, make sure you've got your email address linked to the platform. Without this, you won't get the email alerts when someone signs. In the settings, verify your email and then look for a section that deals with what kind of actions you want to be alerted about. For signings, there's usually a box you can check that says, "Notify me when a document is signed," or something very similar. You'll also see options for other types of notifications, like when someone views or sends a document, but you'll want to focus on the signing notification to avoid unnecessary alerts cluttering your inbox. Customize this based on how often you want updates. Some software gives you instant notifications, while others might send them in a batch at the end of the day. The next step is checking for any advanced settings related to these notifications. Some platforms allow you to set up notifications for specific documents or groups of people, which can be a real time saver. If your software allows it, you can select the option for receiving notifications only for specific types of contracts or users, making it super efficient. Before we wrap up, one important thing to remember is to test it out. Send a test document to yourself or a colleague, and make sure that the notification system is working as expected. This will save you from any surprises later on when you need to rely on it during busy times. Quick recap. To set up notifications for when someone signs, head to your notification settings, ensure email alerts are turned on for signings, verify your email is correct, and customize how and when you want to receive these notifications. Make sure to test it out so you're not caught off guard when an important document gets signed. As a key takeaway, the most important thing is ensuring you've enabled the right notification settings for signings and that your email is linked properly. This keeps you in the loop and helps you stay organized. Lastly, don't forget that if you want to follow along with the software we used in this video, there's an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. Check out the link in the description below to get started. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.